Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. We're here with our Daniel Tiger Neighborhood toys and our surprise Tiny Treasures box. We have a lot of stickers. And look, Tiny fans, we have our first merchandise sample. It's a Tiny Treasures rainbow sticker. And this merchandise will be available soon to all of our Tiny fans. I'll let you know as soon as it's ready. But in the meantime, we have a big box of surprises. We visited a very special store. And I know it's a little early, but it was a Christmas store. And we bought all sorts of fun ornaments for the tree. And I need you to help me decide which ornament to give Tiny Treasures and which one to give Tiny Treasures Mini. And here's Silly Kitty trying to fit in a box full of stuff. Not gonna happen, Silly Kitty. Before I open the ornaments, I'm gonna take you on a little tour of this amazing Christmas store I visited. I absolutely loved these wooden Christmas pyramids. They spin round and round. And here are a whole bunch of different elves spinning on a carousel made of ice cream cones. And there was even a big fuzzy talking reindeer with a rabbit sitting on its back. And who's he looking at? It's Santa Claus in his sleigh full of gifts. Ho, ho, ho! I really enjoyed looking at all of these themed Christmas towns. The Grinch, there's Snoopy, Mickey Mouse. It reminds me of our Christmas town, the Rudolph one, that we featured in many of our videos. Ooh, look at all the detail in the buildings and the glowing lights. There's so many different colors. And I love this little building that's made to look like candy. And here's yummy, gummy gumdrop with grape, lemon, and berry flavors. Another popular Christmas decoration is the Nutcracker, and they even have a Disney Princess Nutcracker with Aurora, Ariel, Rapunzel, and Cinderella. And now it's time to have a look at some of the Christmas ornaments. Look at all the colorful candy ornaments. They're not real candies, of course. They're just for decoration. I'm not going to tell you which ones I'm picking yet. Here are some more amazing Christmas decorations. A television. Here's a house with glitter floating all around Santa. And then there's a little Christmas train. The kids are dancing around the Christmas tree. And here's the train depot with a little tiny train going around the Christmas tree. The reason I love Christmas so much is because you get to spend time with your family, sipping hot chocolate, playing games. Look at these little animals. Which animals do you see? And now we're back home, and I'm going to show you the ornaments that I chose from the store. Now this one is for a very special friend. It's too delicate to give to Tiny Treasures or Tiny Treasures Mini, but it's very beautiful. And there goes Kitty, trying to dig her way into the box. Please be careful, some of those are breakable, Kitty. And here's the first ornament. It reminds me of peacock feathers with the beautiful purples, teals, blues, and then there's a gold star in the middle. Okay, let's open another one. Now if I shake this one, it makes a sound. Now these ones you saw in the video earlier. It's the red gumball machine with all the colorful candies. I'm sure the candies aren't real. They're probably just plastic beads. Now let's unwrap another one. And it's a yellow gumball machine. And I also got this candy jar. It has little glitter inside to make it look like sugar. They're rainbow stick candies. And I also got the Yummy Bears, although yummy is usually spelt with a Y at the end. And it looks like this glass jar can actually open. Let's see. Oh, no, it's glued shut, which is a good thing. The gummy bears aren't for playing with, they're just to look at. Now this ornament is a mini treasure box full of colorful jewels and pearls. I can't wait to use this in my videos for a little treasure hunt with our toys. And now for the last ornament. And our tiny treasures box is empty, so there's room for Kitty to sit in. She loves to sit in boxes. Come on, Kitty. Good girl. This one is a little mini popcorn maker, and it looks like real popcorn inside. On the side it says old-fashioned hot buttered popcorn. And this one is very delicate. It's made of glass. So that's all of the ornaments, Tiny fans. Now I need your help. Please comment below which ornament I should give Tiny Treasures and which one Tiny Treasures Mini. And thank you so much for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye.